First of all, I just want to say I know this took forever because I don't know why I look cross-eyed in this. Anyways, hi! Today, we finally freaking have our Ipsy Luxe box. And once again, that's my box. Do y'all feel cheated? Cause I feel cheated. Cause I used to look forward to the black box with white trim that said BoxyCharm. And this, it just doesn't make me excited, and I don't like it. So, but here we go. So I got the Luxe. This is the Icon box, not the Luxe. The Icon box for May. And I did get some add-ons, so I'll show you those when we get to them. So let's get into it. Okay. Oh. Okay. So maybe I was too harsh. So I have this, and then I have this. So maybe I would have gotten it if I didn't get the add-ons. And it took forever. Everybody else got theirs, and I'm just not getting mine. But that's cool. That's cool. Let's just see what we got. And I better have gotten what I chose, because I almost canceled it. And then I was like, ooh, but I like that. So we're going to see. Let's just get into the box. These little string things, let some be broken like everybody else's was, and I'll be upset. I will be reaching out for my replacement. All right, so first out the box, full-size perfume, commodity milk. I don't know what this smells like, but I have a sample of the book one, and it's okay. All right, hold on. Finally got it open. All right, what is this supposed to smell like? The scent space is expressive. I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but let's smell it. Let's see what we get. Maybe I like it, and maybe I won't. But that's the bottle. It's cute. I like the packaging. Ooh, I think I like that. I kind of like that. I can't exactly tell you what it smells like right now. I know there's vanilla in there, but other than that, I don't know. Let me sleep on it. All right, next up, we got the Volition Golden Eye Brightening Serum. Did I just... Either I saw this or we just got this. Probably saw it because I don't remember having this. But there is the Volition Golden Eye Brightening Serum. I'm not going to open this right now because I have a whole bunch of skincare I need to go through. So, but that's pretty cool. And of course, I'll just put the prices of what this is supposed to be valued at in the window. Okay, let's go with this bad boy. Okay, this is the Skin Inc. Body Sculpt Fit Serum. Now, I saw this on several unboxings, and I wasn't sure if I would like this, but I'm excited to try it. And it's supposed to lift, tone, and smooth the appearance of uneven skin and a visibly tighter leaving. Yeah, look. It's supposed to. Oh, it's got a safety seal on it. Okay, let's take that off because I'm always good for having some lotion open or something. And yeah, let's see. All right. So it's got the little serum. I don't know if you can see the little gold beads in there, but let's see. It's a little watery. It smells like serum. And so it's not like a lotion. It smells clean and good. Something I would like use after, like I get out the shower, before bed. All right, so I'm excited to try that. Next up. Okay, I do remember choosing this. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. I didn't realize you guys are so far away. My bad. I got the soft matte. Now I have oily skin, and well, I typically have oily skin, and depending on the foundation I use, it can run a little, it can make it worse or more noticeable, but I haven't had that issue in a while. I'm not gonna open this one, but I'm super happy to get this because this one is like $32, and yeah, so good. I'm happy to get that. So put that in the box. All right, up next we got, let's go, what's in the wrapper? Oh yeah. I chose this too because I always wanted to try their products, but they're expensive. They're expensive. But they have the cutest stuff though. Let me open it. Oh, that bottle is cute. All right, this is the Truly Vegan Collagen Booster, the Anti-Aging Face Serum. Can you see? There we go. But look at the bottle. It's in like a triangle, and it's got a little dropper. Ooh, it's a nice long dropper. Let's see what it feels like over here. It feels refreshing. It doesn't really smell like anything, but I can only smell that perfume, which still smells really, really good, by the way. So yeah, I'm super excited to get this because this stuff is like 50, 60 bucks. Like, it's just expensive. And so why not try it in the, however much this box cost. I don't remember. All right, up next, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Magic Touch Concealer. Oh yeah. They chose this one for me. And I got the shade 18. Now, I think there was some confusion because when they first started marketing this box, it almost appeared as if it was going to be a, what's that called? A takeover box. Because I remember when BoxyCharm did it, oh, I cleaned up. I got the Norvina palette, I cleaned up, okay? But this was more so her choosing products, and whether or not we got more than one, you know, ABH product was kind of up to BoxyCharm and ABH. So I did do my choices early enough that I think that I got what I wanted. Oh, you twisted. But here's the applicator, and it's a little doe foot. Let's see what that shade do. Because I don't know much about concealer because I don't necessarily use it. Because I don't know how. But that's the shade. And so that looks pretty neutral. Maybe I'll try that tonight. Taking my munchkin to a concert. Her very first concert. Oh, we're gonna go see Ella May. So yeah, that's cool. Glad to get that. And I did not bring a makeup wipe. That's okay. All right, up next. I'm gonna save that for last. All right. So up next we have the Too Faced Killer Liner. And this is in the shade Killer Black. Now I'm a good fan of eyeliner. Like, I like, what is it, the brush tips? Because I'm not that good and I don't necessarily have a steady hand. I promise y'all I am not cross-eyed, but for some reason it got me cross-eyed in this camera today. Maybe because I'm kind of looking at the camera. But yeah, so there's the pencil, and it is like, ooh, it's super creamy though, but that's real black. Now that's black. I like that. So maybe I'll try it. Maybe it'd be good for like the waterline. And 36 hours non-flaking, transfer resistance, waterproof eyeliner. First of all, let me not tell that lie. I'm not wearing my makeup for 36 hours. Look, I have worn my makeup overnight. I have slept in a full face of makeup and did not regret it the next day. So we'll just keep it a buck with you. Oh, oops. Maybe I should have kept it a buck and brought that wipe up here. Oh well. All right. So now, all right, let's see. It better be the right one. Okay. So I chose the Modern Renaissance palette. Now this is like, well, in my opinion, this is like OG ABH, because when like makeup was a thing for me, when it was like really popular, but pre-COVID, let me just say that. Like the modern Renaissance palettes, first of all, ABH is just that girl when it came to eyeshadows pre-COVID. Now there's a lot more options, a lot more quality options. So, but I don't know. I had them all. I had the Riviera, of course. I had the Jackie palette, which I still have. I had a bunch of them, but I always wanted this. But I was like, ooh, I don't really want to drop $50 on a palette. So I just never picked it up. Plus, I can't say that anything none of the shades really spoke to me. But now that I've evolved, I was digging it. And I didn't want the Primrose run. Like, it didn't seem like, again, I was the target consumer for that particular palette. So, let's get, I just love it. It's so velvety. All right, let's get into it. Take off the little protector. Ooh, and it still comes with the brushes. Let me see if I can get it up. But isn't it pretty? That's fine. I don't even use those brushes. But it's pretty. It's just a simple, soft palette. Like Love Letter is super pretty. Let me turn it this way. Yeah, like Love Letter, super pretty. And this, what is this? Venetian Red. Like I can rock with some of these shades now. And there's a lot of neutral colors in here. You can make a real soft, pretty look. You know, give them a little something, but not give them too much. But you did something still. I like it. So yes, I'm super happy to get this because this palette in itself is like 50 bucks. So great, 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 great. All right. So I think it's safe to assume that. So that was the Loxy Lux, the Icon Box. So I got the Renaissance palette, the Fenty primer, the Truly face serum, the Too Faced liner, the concealer, the brightening cream, the body serum, and the commodity perfume, which I'm probably gonna wear tonight because it smells really, really, really good, and it smells like it has staying power. So I like that. All right, so let me get into my add-ons. And should I surprise you, or should I just tell you what it is now? No, well, we can both be surprised. Like I didn't know what I paid extra for. So I chose the Natasha Denona and like MAC lipstick little bundle. It's like $26, I think. And this one is the Zendo palette. Okay, it better be in the box. So that's it. The Natasha Denona Zendo palette. Now I have the Love palette and I have like the mini alloy palette, which I really, 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 really liked because it was super, like, it was in one of my other videos. Y'all seen it? You seen it? But I used it and I really, really like that palette. Like the formula, it blends really, really well. So hopefully this will do the same. So do that. Those are the shadows. Real kind of simple. I mean, you could probably do some crazy things with this. I can't because I'm not that skilled, but maybe one day. But these are really, really pretty and I'm super excited to get it. Now y'all know these palettes will run you like $65. And then some of them even cost like $125. We're not doing that around these parts. As much as if I'm gonna spend that, I'm getting me a Pat McGrath palette, and I don't even feel like those are worth it. Like as far as color, like as far as people are collectors, I'm dropping $130, $150 on what is that? 8 to 10 shadows. She good. Yeah, no, not me. So yeah, so with that, I'm supposed to get a lipstick. Okay, it's in here. It's all busted up. Now, I'm a MAC lipstick girly. Like, I'm definitely a MAC girl. So this is the Love Me lipstick. in Joie de Vivre. I think that's how you say it. Joie de Vivre? I don't know. I ain't took French since I was in high school, and that was, oh my god, like 20-something years ago. No, that's when I graduated. Anyway, it's okay. You don't need to know that. Oh, but it's so... See, if you're not a MAC lipstick lover, you're doing it wrong. You're doing lipstick wrong. Like, I don't even know what sheen this is yet. I think it's a cream sheen because it's super creamy. But isn't that pretty? Oh, it almost matches my shirt. Coordination. You gotta coordinate. Anyways. But yeah, this is super pretty. And that's what it looks like. And that's definitely a shade I wear. Well, I usually wear all my lipsticks without a lip liner. I think these are cream sheens, but that is soft. Ugh. I love it. And it's going in the collection. Would you guys like to see a lipstick collection? Like, see my excessive hoard of lipsticks? Because I could do that. Or maybe I'll just do like my favorites from each like color group. Like my reds, my berries, my pinks, my nudes. Maybe that. Let me know in the comments what you guys think I should do next. Like, should it be all of them? Or should it just be like my faves or my faves from each color section? Yeah. So yeah, let me know. But that was my icon box and add-ons. And from what I saw, first of all, I'm glad that none of my stuff was broken. Because everybody was opening that Primrose palette and it was like in pieces. So I'm glad I did not have that problem. Because me and Ipsy, it wouldn't be cute. So yeah, I got 2 palettes that were not broken. I'm not upset. I'm definitely not upset. Now, I'm gonna do one more Ipsy box. And if that one doesn't go well, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. I might just stick with the Chic Beauty box or the Allure box because I really like those 2 boxes. Those were great. So let's talk about it. Are we box twins? Did you get any add-ons? Have you used any of these products before? Let's talk about it in the comments. In the meantime, don't forget to like. Let's talk. Leave me a comment and like, and don't pay attention to that. And then subscribe. Tell your homegirls to subscribe, okay? We have fun over here. But yeah, that's it. So until next time, bye guys.